motion. It is that motion in which the velocity of the object changes or different at different time. For example, motion of a vehicle on a road. So its velocity keeps on changing with respect to time, then it is said to be accelerated motion. Accelerated motion are of two types: uniformly accelerated motion and non-uniformly accelerated motion. We will study the graphs of uniformly accelerated motion. It is that motion in which the velocity or change in velocity per unit time is constant. Thus, as the velocity per unit time is constant, thus acceleration is constant. It can be positive or negative. Uniformly, non-uniform, accelerated motion. When the change in velocity per unit time is not constant, thus acceleration is variable. Change in velocity is not constant. Thus acceleration is variable. Let's see some velocity time graph of an accelerated motion. In VT graph, when the body is not accelerated, that is, the velocity of the object is constant, then the slope or acceleration is zero. Acceleration is zero or non-accelerated body. Velocity is constant. Second case is when acceleration is positive and initial velocity is zero. Then it will start from the origin and it is an accelerated uniform motion. That is, change in velocity per unit time is constant. It is given by a straight line. Next is, if the body is doing an accelerated motion, positive accelerated motion, having some initial velocity, then it will start with some initial velocity. So u has some value and a is positive. When the body has some positive initial velocity and negative acceleration, that is retarding motion. Uniform, negative acceleration, and here u is positive. If body has negative initial velocity, thus and if the motion is retarded motion. So here u is negative and a is also negative. And we have studied this graph also, that acceleration is negative and body has some initial velocity. At time t1, the body changes its direction of motion and acceleration will become positive. This case we have studied in the example that if the body is thrown in vertically upward direction, then initially it has some velocity and the motion is retarded motion, and after reaching its height, it changes its direction and falls in positive direction. So here it is T2 having negative velocity. Time graph for accelerated motion. First graph is when the object is moving with uniform acceleration, that is when a is constant or positive, then let it has some initial velocity so the graph will be like this. Here it has some value. At time t equal to 0, the position of the object is x0 and it has some initial velocity. This is velocity and the motion is accelerated uniform motion. Here, as we know that by kinematic equation, x is equal to x naught plus ut plus half at square. At time t equal to 0, x is equal to x naught. This is the condition, and at time greater than 0, then x is proportional to t square. That is, here acceleration is constant and u is constant. So x is proportional to t square. Thus, the graph is a parabola. Next graph is when object is moving with negative acceleration. Then there is a retarded motion and it has also some initial velocity. So graph will be x naught position. This is xt graph. Velocity decreasing and acceleration is negative. At time t equal to 0, x is equal to x naught by kinematic equation, and x is equal to x naught plus ut plus half minus a t square. By this, at t equal to t greater than 0, x is proportional to t square. Thus the graph is parabola. When object has no acceleration, that is acceleration is 0, then at time t equal to 0, x is equivalent to x naught, same position, but now the graph is at t greater than 0, x is equal to x naught plus ut, because here we are taking acceleration is 0, so plus half at square will vanish and we get x is proportional to t. So the graph will be a straight line. Acceleration is 0, u constant, a 0. And we have studied that when acceleration is constant and its initial velocity is at 0 position, then the graph will be like this. And as we know, x is given as x naught is 0 position, so here we will write ut plus half at square. Here acceleration is constant and u is constant, that is starting from 0 position. So u is 0 or constant. Next position, when the object is moving with uniform velocity, that is velocity is constant, thus acceleration is 0, and at time t equal to 0 the position of the object is x naught. First case is, let us suppose x naught is positive and the velocity of a particle is also positive. Then in this case the motion of the object in this way. It will be a straight line and will start at some position, and here v is positive. Case number 2, when x naught is positive but v is negative. Then the velocity is decreasing with time and there will be a uniform motion. V is negative and x naught is positive. Third case, when x naught is positive and v is negative, v is also positive, then negative position and the velocity is increasing with time. Fourth case, when both position and velocity are negative. The graph is in this way.